Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can connect eBay store to CJ Dropshipping. As you can see here guys, I am doing dropshipping from CJ to eBay, as you can see, and these are the sales. As you can see, these are the products that I imported from CJ Dropshipping to eBay. Now what you guys need to start this business is you need an account. Okay, you need an account on okay, by the way, these products are not from CJ Dropshipping, but there are some products that are from CJ Dropshipping. Not all of these are from CJ Dropshipping. I like to do dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay. That's what I prefer, guys. Everyone has a different, they prefer something else. Like some people prefer to dropship from Amazon to eBay, some people Walmart, some people Home Depot. So everyone is different. So I like to use dropshipping, CJ Dropshipping, because of the shipping time. That's what I like about CJ Dropshipping, is they can handle everything. They will ship the product and provide tracking number to the customer without you doing anything. Okay, that's what I'm about to show you in this video. So to start, guys, connecting now, how you can connect CJ to eBay, just need to create a CJ Dropshipping account. By the way, I'm going to delete the account so that we can start from scratch, because I already connected my eBay to this account. I'm going to click confirm. As you can see, this is a new account and this is a new eBay account. Now how you can connect is very easy. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to like link your eBay to Payoneer so that you can receive payments after someone. So if someone wants to buy from you on eBay, you will be able, guys, to buy from you because you have linked your Payoneer account to eBay. Okay, so you just need to click on authorization in the top right, and then you want to select eBay. And after, guys, you select eBay, you want to click on add store. Okay, you want to click on add store, and here it says authorization success. But for you, you will have to give access, guys. eBay will ask you, guys, if you want to give access to CJ Dropshipping to have all the information, like the address of the customers, like tracking numbers. You just need to scroll down and click on grant access, something like give access or something like that, and it will take you directly to this page where it says authorization success. Now you want to start importing products so that you can start dropshipping on eBay. Now how you can do that? I made a step-by-step video in the screen. It's free. You don't have to pay anything, guys. I'm not selling you a course or anything. Click the video in the screen and you will be able to learn how you can list products from CJ to eBay, how you can how you can make CJ Dropshipping ship the product to the customers automatically. Okay, every single thing in that video. Click the video in the screen and see you guys in the next one.